Today is Thursday. Our little baby Chance was found last Monday, so we have now had, today is day 11. We are making the assumption that he was at least 2 days old, maybe 3. We found him in the road, eyes still shut. We are noticing he's got some damage, probably from being grabbed from the nest, to one of his legs. And at this point, it's obvious. I mean, I don't think there's anything we could have done about it anyway. And I actually just fed him not very long ago, so he's probably not that hungry. Sorry, I'm trying to look through the camera and feed. Do you want more? He's probably just mad. No. So he's not that hungry. Maybe you'll grab it. Try to. He's starting to get a little bit of personality. Yeah. Well, since he's not real interested in eating, I really did just feed him maybe a little over half hour ago. I'll show you his foot. Oh, it's his left front leg just doesn't work quite right. So his right foot curls the way it's supposed to. And his left foot, he uses all his toes to curl forward instead of one toe to go under. And he has a hard time actually putting weight on it. So he's trying to learn to walk with that leg. And I suppose it's better than a bird with only one leg, but he really struggles with that foot. You can kind of see just now how it looks. But he's still coming to me. You see how it's a little twisted, and actually all the toes, he's got 4 of them, go forward on this foot, and the other foot I think is a little more as you'd expect, with one toe backward helping him prop up. But he's coming to me because he knows that's where I'm feeding him. Are you hiding under me? So I'm a little bit worried about his chances of being released into the wild at this point, just because of his foot. But, you know, I'm sure that he can overcome. I mean, at this point, this is all he's ever known. So he should hopefully just learn to compensate for the... Well, obviously he's not that hungry. I'm actually going and thinking maybe he's not a grackle. He's actually still kind of small, I think, to be a grackle. Maybe some other kind of blackbird. Starling. Well, starlings look like they have yellow beaks. So I just don't know.